It took 40 years from Alexander Graham Bell radiophone to massive broadcasting in the 20s. It took 20 years from this TV to commercial TVs. 10 years for our cell phones. 4 years for our smartphones. 2 years for tablets, and less than 24 months to launch new products like wearables, like the Pebble smartwatch, using existing technologies and new mechanisms like crowdfunding. Ladies and gentlemen, something is changing. Innovation is changing. Innovation is at the highest pace ever in history. What companies used to take 20 years to build and launch a new product, now it takes months. Companies now need to dig in for data in emerging topics where they are not necessarily experts in. They need to make sense of a huge amount of data growing exponentially, and they need to identify key players to learn from them, to work with them, to partner with them, or simply to acquire them. So how do companies solve this today? Well, they have dedicated advanced technology offices and now new offices in Silicon Valley with walls full of color and ping-pong tables. They have accelerator programs, and they usually hire teams of 5 to 10 people, consultants and employees to work for over 4 months, meet at least 20 times, go to 5 conferences and events, and produce 1 technology report. We are systematically and dramatically changing this way of working. And I'm going to show you how in just a second. For example, a German automotive company, they may need to look for new partners and suppliers to bring biometric sensors into their cars in, say, 1 or 2 years. With Linknovate, it's easy. You type the keywords, hit search, and voila! Over 1,000 organizations detected. This is 5 to 10 times the current capabilities of our clients. You see the bubbles on the right? We are making their search visual and improving their discovery experience. They want the graphic reports? Not a problem. Click on Visual Insights and we generate them on the fly. If we filter by corporations, you may recognize some of the companies here, like Toshiba, Fujitsu, IBM, HP, Visa. If we want to click on one of them, like Fujitsu, we get into their profile and we discover that they are actually working in biometrics applied for the retail business. This is competitive intelligence, and it was that simple. But there's more to this. Thanks to our data analytics and for a premium fee, we are able to contact hundreds of experts in those 1,000 companies I mentioned before. Why? To ask them the hard questions, like their volume of production, conditions of testing, or some relevant past projects. We call this dynamic reporting, and we are already doing it with many companies in multiple industries. For example, oil and gas, Repsol in Madrid. Food processing and manufacturing, Buller in Switzerland. The automotive industry, BMW in Munich and Forestier in Detroit. Apart from these clients, we are building partnerships with innovation consultancies like UX Berlin. We actually have 3 agreements in place in Latin America, 2 in Colombia and 1 in Chile. At this point, you may be thinking of pulling out of your pocket a check, but you may be wondering how big and profitable are the companies in this space. Well, there you go. This is a 12 billion euro market. And these are the 2 incumbents. Thomson Reuters, with products that account for over 1 billion euro in revenue. Elsevier, over 3 billion euro, and 34% profit margin. That's one of the highest in any industry. Yes, more than Apple. We aim to disrupt this market, and for that, we are all in for hardcore technology data. We want our users to be able to digest it because it's the only way to understand emerging technologies and capture new marketing opportunities. To achieve this, I have with me the best team of hardcore technologists, led by Dr. Javier Parapar and Jose Veiga. They are experts in information retrieval and semantic web. We are a team of 7, led by 2 founders, with engineering background and product management experience. Last year, we won FinODEX, European Open Data Accelerator, with over 300 applicants. And this year, we won awarded a Horizon 2020 grant, which means our company is going to be funded for the next 1.5 years, all giving away 0% equity. Our market is great, our product is alive and kicking. Come see us at our booth. Thank you.